Professional sports involves complete dedication to achieve impressive results, and it often happens that even the athlete himself exceeds his expectations, one in a million moments. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The guy passing the obstacle course almost fell off at the very beginning. But he definitely got out of this unpleasant situation. It remains only to wish good luck. Not the most honest motocross racer began to brazenly withdraw rivals from the competition. But on the very next lap, karmic retribution was waiting for him from the driver who was taken out of the game. That's what happens if you don't play fair. The fan was just enjoying his hot dog when the ball flew straight into his face, scattering the whole snack. It must have been very insulting. The extreme man did not take two parachutes with him for nothing. It was decided to set fire to the one on which he flew, which looked extremely impressive, and after a few seconds in free fall, it was finally decided to open the second one. Everyone has fun as they want. During the Mixed Martial Arts Championship, one of the fighters dodged an obviously strong kick with an incredible movement. Amazing plasticity. Australian tennis player Mark Philippoussis is so good that he is able to hit balls even with the opposite end of the racket. A real professional can be seen from afar. The chance is 1 in a million. During a baseball game, the ball got stuck right in the catcher's helmet. It's good that helmets are provided in this sport, otherwise he would not have been well. The goalkeeper was just about to give the ball to his team, but the sports projectile ricocheted off the opponent's head and immediately flew back. Amazing luck for one and incredible and disappointing for the other. With the right level of skills, you can stay on a surfboard even in heels. Useless, but it still looks funny. During the rally, the rider got into a dangerous maneuver when the spectators could have suffered. But he managed to turn the car 360 degrees and calmly continue the race. In bowling, such a parameter as luck always works especially impressively. Just look at how the player knocked out all the remaining pins not only on his own track, but also on the next one. A goalkeeper should be a true master of his craft, and this guy fully fits this definition. In a matter of seconds, he managed to repel the opponent's attack as many as 4 times. They were obviously very upset by this turn of events. In the break between the halves of the basketball match, performance artists came out on the court and performed something extremely incredible. It's even hard to estimate how much hard training is behind this. This girl knows exactly how to perform stunts on a motorcycle. It's worth saying, she makes it so recklessly that it's even scary to look at. But this case is an example of the highest point of professionalism, so it's definitely not worth repeating this. The ability to deceive an opponent by shooting the ball in an unexpected direction has always been appreciated in basketball. Michael Jordan managed to master this art perfectly during his career. Actually, it was for such professionalism that Jordan was awarded all his titles. One of the UFC fighters, in an attempt to get out of the enemy's grip, accidentally knocked him out. In such a sport, you need to be always on the alert because anything can happen during a fight. A professional cyclist is capable of a lot. The guy did a somersault in the air from the springboard and landed back on the bike. The guy trained his dog to dive under the water and pull out crabs. Someone is going to have a decidedly delicious dinner tonight. LeBron James is not called the king for nothing. During the attack, he hit the ball with a well-aimed blow, passing it between the legs of a teammate and threw it into the ring. Incredible skill. This rider is so cool that she can hang down on the side of a horse galloping at full speed. Just looking at such tricks makes it creepy. Basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo gave his young fan a pair of branded sneakers. The girl literally could not believe her luck. During the relay, the most difficult thing is to pass the wand to your partner correctly. Fortunately, the work of the Japanese runners was so well coordinated that one of them simply threw it to the other. Sometimes the battle for the ball takes on an absolutely absurd scale. This definitely cannot be called athletic behavior. 2 UFC fighters during the weigh-in made serious faces at each other for so long that in the end they themselves laughed at the comicality of the situation. It's not every day you lose the opportunity to play baseball in peace because a bird of prey tried to fight with you. But there will be something to remember in a couple of years. Sometimes in tennis you have to do the impossible. The athlete hit an extremely difficult ball with almost a throw of a racket. During the dangerous maneuver, the motorcyclist somehow disconnected from his vehicle. Nevertheless, having reached the sand on his hip, he got to his feet and stomped somewhere as if nothing had happened. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you liked the most. See you soon. Peace.